Discover clever backyard gadgets you never knew existed. From smart coolers and outdoor loungers to grilling tools and everyday essentials, these Amazon finds will transform the way you relax and entertain. Here are the best backyard gadgets worth checking out. This ultralight camping chair sets up in just 15 seconds with its self-tensioning aluminum frame, making outdoor relaxation effortless. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum and breathable Oxford fabric, it delivers unbeatable stability, comfort, and durability on any terrain. Weighing only 2.38 pounds and packing into a compact travel bag, it's the ultimate grab-and-go chair for camping, beach trips, or backyard lounging. The Express Electric Peeler takes the hassle out of meal prep, peeling everything from potatoes and cucumbers to apples and kiwis in seconds. With one push of a button, it whisks away only the skin, no waste, no mess, leaving all the nutritious goodness intact. Compact, safe, and efficient, it delivers perfectly peeled fruits and veggies in just 10 seconds flat. This 45-quart cooler is built with frost vault technology, keeping food safe, dry, and separate from ice while holding cold temperatures for days. With a massive capacity of up to 68 cans and all-terrain, puncture-resistant wheels, it's made to handle any adventure with ease. Durable, heavily insulated, and designed for smarter packing, it lets you access your drinks and snacks without ever digging through ice. This outdoor cool bar table doubles as both a stylish cocktail table and a 7.5-gallon beverage cooler, holding up to 40 cans with ice. Its all-weather rattan design keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours, while the adjustable lid transforms instantly from coffee table to party-ready bar. With easy assembly, a built-in drain, and a sturdy 110-pound weight capacity, it's the perfect indoor-outdoor upgrade for any gathering. Electric S'mores Maker brings the campfire classic indoors, letting families roast marshmallows and build gooey treats without the mess of flames. Designed with a flameless heater, stainless steel forks, and a 4-compartment tray, it makes sharing easy and safe for everyone. With its nostalgic design and quick clean trays, it's a fun, hassle-free way to turn any night into s'mores night. Enjoy this oversized inflatable lounger is built for comfort and fun, supporting up to 660 pounds while serving as a tanning bed, pool float, beach recliner, or even a backyard mini pool. With a removable backrest, built-in cup holders, and a playful water spray feature, it transforms any day into a poolside party. Spacious enough for friends or family, it's the ultimate summer accessory for relaxing and making memories together. Need a rolling grill basket? This one is crafted from durable 304 stainless steel with a polished finish, letting you grill everything from veggies to seafood with ease and safety. Its removable wooden handle provides a secure grip and heat protection, while the clever nesting design makes storage and travel incredibly convenient. Perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or as a thoughtful gift, it turns ordinary grilling into a master chef experience. This handy umbrella hook keeps your bags, towels, and drinks off the sand or table, making beach days and patio lounging clutter-free. Built with 100% stainless steel parts and a clear adapter, it fits all standard umbrella poles, even the skinny ones. Durable, simple, and practical, it's the small upgrade that makes a big difference in your outdoor setup. This refillable roll-on sunscreen applicator makes sun protection effortless, delivering even coverage without the sticky mess of traditional bottles. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone with a gentle sponge top, it's kid-friendly, travel-ready, and perfect for everyday outdoor use. With its sleek strap-on design and neutral style, it clips to any bag so you'll never forget sun protection again. This rechargeable electric lighter uses flameless plasma technology, making it completely windproof, splash-proof, and reliable in any weather. Built with child safety features, an automatic shutoff, and a visible battery indicator, it combines peace of mind with convenience. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect tool for candles, barbecues, camping, or any outdoor adventure. This wireless weather station delivers real-time indoor and outdoor temperature, humidity, forecasts, and even moon phases on a vibrant 7.5-inch color display. With support for up to 3 remote sensors and built-in atomic clock accuracy, it doubles as a reliable household thermometer and alarm clock. Featuring dual power modes and adjustable backlighting, it provides a clear, customizable view of your weather and time, day or night. The Hamilton Beach Indoor Searing Grill brings outdoor flavor inside, heating up to 450 Fahrenheit to lock in juices and deliver perfect results year-round. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe grill plate, removable lid, and extra-large drip tray, cleanup is quick and easy after every meal. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for searing steaks, grilling seafood, or adding smoky flavor to veggies. No charcoal or propane required.